Last time around, we heard that the Pixel 11 series could be dropping the built-in thermometer entirely and replacing it with a completely new hardware feature, reportedly called Pixel Glow. Instead of a temperature sensor, this new addition is rumored to be a slim RGB mini LED strip integrated directly into the camera bar. From what leaks suggest, the layout would follow a clean sequence: a triple camera setup, then the LED flash, and finally this dedicated RGB lighting zone built into the same strip. Google is expected to use this lighting system for more than just looks. It could handle things like notification alerts, charging indicators, camera activity signals, and even subtle custom animations. The idea is to make the back of the phone feel more dynamic and responsive, almost like it's communicating with you in real time. That said, not all leaks agree on the exact implementation. Some suggest it may not be a full RGB strip at all, but instead a softer glow ring that wraps around or highlights the camera module. Either way, the direction is clear. Google seems to be turning the camera bar into something functional, not just design-focused. And honestly, it sounds like a smart upgrade: subtle, useful, and not overly aggressive. Plus, early reports suggest users may be able to disable it entirely, which will be a welcome option for those who prefer a cleaner look, especially compared to the previous thermometer feature. Now, moving on, let's talk about the official Pixel 11 wallpapers, recently shared by Kirsty Mystic Leaks. As always, Google tends to design its wallpapers to complement the phone's color palette, and this year looks no different. The standard Pixel 11 is expected to arrive in shades like fuchsia, midnight haze, moss, and sterling light. Meanwhile, the Pixel 11 Pro and Pixel 11 Pro XL are rumored to lean into more premium finishes, including colors such as dune, fog, midnight, and pine. And to wrap things up, there's also a concept render showing how these devices might look in real life, giving us a much clearer idea of the refined, clean, and premium design language Google could be going for this generation. Now, moving to performance, the Pixel 11 series is rumored to feature Google's new Tensor G6 processor built on TSMC's advanced 2nm process. The chip could include one ultra-performance ARM core clocked at 4.11 GHz, four performance cores running at 3.38 GHz, and two efficiency cores at 2.65 GHz. Leaks also mention the Titan M3 security chip, along with a PowerVR C-Series GPU and the MediaTek M90 modem. The standard Pixel 11 is expected to feature a 6.3-inch 1080p display, a 4,840 mAh battery, and up to 12 GB of RAM. Meanwhile, the Pixel 11 Pro and Pixel 11 Pro XL could bring larger high-resolution displays, up to 16 GB of RAM, a 4,707 mAh battery on the Pro model, and a massive 5,000 mAh battery on the Pro XL. And here's the biggest software update. The Pixel 11 lineup may be deeply integrated with Gemini Intelligence. Some leaks even suggest the boot animation could display the phrase "powered by Gemini Intelligence," making it feel like Google wants these phones to become your personal AI companion. Android 17 is also rumored to introduce a fresh, luminous interface inspired by iOS 7-style blur and glow effects, giving Pixel devices a cleaner and softer visual design. And finally, Pixel users may finally get the option to remove the search bar widget from the home screen. After all these years, it might actually happen. That's everything we know so far. Let me know your thoughts below, especially if you're already planning to turn Pixel Glow into a full nightclub setup. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.